morning, family. I know some of you are sleeping, some of you are just waking up, others it is evening hours. This is Eating the African, and my name is Nicholas. Today we're going to go through Mombasa, Nairobi. Why am I saying Mombasa? Because I have to go to Mombasa again. But we're going to go through Nairobi and see what we can do for this day. But first of all, I'm going to take you through the journey, how I'm going to reach those places. I want to do Kasavu Kanyama in this video. And also I have to get a Safaricom line. I had one, but it was blocked because I spent like 7 months without using it. But I'm going to go to get another one. I don't want to go do replacement or that will be a long process. I'm going to just get a new one. And then later, we need to look for food wherever we go. So keep watching until the end, don't go anywhere. Subscribe, be part of this life, this journey. Okay, let's go. First of all, we have to go to Juja, but we're going to get a border ride, which we want to pay for 100 bob, both of us, but I think he wants more, but we're going to bargain. We have 100 bob. So we have 100 bob.
You are telling that guys you are bargaining.
we have 100 bob, both of us. So from Juja town, we're going to get matatu to Nairobi City. Then from Nairobi City, we're going to get another matatu to Westlands, the rich neighborhood. But me, I will be looking for food. Then my colleague is going to do other types of content. So keep along the journey. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching. We are in Juja right now. This is 100 bob. You call it 100 bob? 100 bob. Yeah, this is what we have paid for our trip from Juja to this town. So from here, let's go to Nairobi City. Okay. So I never wanted to say anything from the bus because it was loud. Always they have that music in their matatus, so I never wanted to get copyright. But we paid 60 bob each of us from Juja to CBD, which is Nairobi City. So from here we are going to take another matatu to Westlands. The place is called Salit. So that's why we're going to meet Mwakazi Adventures. Then from there we're going to to get new lines, Safaricom lines, and then we see what we can do from there. Then from there I think I'll look for places where I can find what we can eat. What we can eat along this video. But thank you so much for keeping yourself on Eating the African Way. Don't go anywhere, keep watching. You can suggest what I can do from this side as you watch this video, because I see we have more days here. If you can support us through the journey, you can reach out to her channel, Shaki My Love, and also my channel Eating the African Way. We also post our details in the description box. You can reach out to us, support us financially, everything, because we have to do this together. With you, we can go far. So let's go. We see how the day is going to go. So you spend some bob, Kenyan shillings. At the end, you spend more than what you're going to eat. But please, that is what I think. So please enjoy the journey as we go, because I want to show you what we go through before we reach those places. I've been shitting you in Uganda, where I just wake up, I just go take you where I eat those foods from. But now I want you to see the journey, to be part of the journey until we find what to eat. But thank you so much for loving this channel, for supporting it. Don't go anywhere. Please bear with the changes. I know these are positive changes. Please bear with them and enjoy the journey. I haven't seen any sign of food. You know, in Uganda, when I just go out of my home, just meters away, I can find what to eat, even if so food is almost everywhere, but here I think you have to move long distances and you have to be asking people around, where can I find what to eat, where can I find sweet food. Where can I get my lunch from? Is there any nearby restaurant? And then the places they direct you to, they are so expensive. Those places with pizza, KFC. But we are going to do our best to look for those local places, yeah, where we can find our local food. Please don't go anywhere. Keep watching until the end. From when we are done with getting our Safaricom lines, the next is going to be food. So don't worry, keep watching. So what I'm having is called samaki. This is fish. I think it's fried with tomatoes, but tomatoes are a lot. And you know, with us Ugandans, we know we always use less tomatoes, because when you use more tomatoes, they change the taste of the food. So the taste becomes it has that salty taste. Most of the times there's a lot of that sweetness, which is not good because it covers everything from the food. And also I'm having ugali. We always discuss about ugali, and ugali is totally different from Ugandan posho. This is the texture is totally different, even the color. Ours is white, and that taste is totally different. I think we need to do a video showing how this ugali is made from the garden, because it's totally different. And also I'm having greens, and also this is going to cost you around 270 Kenyan shillings. I'll post that on the screen in dollars and also in shilling, Ugandan shillings, so that you can see the difference. Yeah, it's a very tiny place where you have to sit with a lot of people on the table, and you don't have to film them because you feel them uncomfortable. I had to request for permission from other customers so that I can make this video. But as you watch, you can also recommend what we can do from other places or other foods we can do in upcoming videos. There's a lot coming this time. There's a lot because we're having enough time in Kenya. But I think it will be better if the tomatoes are less. But when you travel, you find new things. Different societies, people cook their foods differently, use different spices. So I'm not trying to judge, but this is Kenyan food, not Ugandan food. I know some of you will be like, why do we use a lot of tomatoes? So this is not Ugandan. So this is what I'm talking about. The tomatoes are a lot on the plate, so much. It is the most taste you're going to find from this. It is what you're going to taste, the tomatoes. But it's a good dish. Some of the foods you're going to enjoy in Nairobi city. Let me show you something. I don't know if you can see the texture of this. Totally different. The color is different. There is I don't want to call it brown. Maybe off-white. It will be a white color. Which color is this? White. It can't be white. Look, Ugandan ugali is white. Totally different from this. The what? Is the one you use? Oh, okay. But thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. Please don't just watch, like the video, recommend what you want to see next in Kenya. We are going to go to northern Kenya. I know the culture is different. There's so many, a lot of different things we're going to find from there. But recommend. We're also going to go to Mombasa, mostly the coast, the beaches, and also check out the food they have along the coast. So, are you done?
Here you stay in business. Here we mean business.
You're done. So I have to put the camera like this because I don't want to show people around me. They don't want to be seen in the camera. It's okay, you're not seen. It's I'm sure you can pause this video because the end goal was all about food. I think there's nothing. Maybe we still have like a short journey to cover. Then after that, it will be the end of the video. But thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. I'm always happy to see you in the comment section, to see what in these videos, to share them, subscribe, also comment what you want to see next.
You say what you want to eat. Yeah.
Okay, that was it for now. So let us continue our journey. As you have seen inside, indani pressure iko mingi. Hope that is right. I'm trying to learn Swahili. Indani yuko pressure mingi. The pressure is too much inside. You can hardly find a right position where you can put your camera and record because people are trying to squeeze themselves inside. But the food is good. I love the food. Their food is fresh. Just that the ingredients are, I think they use a lot, excessive. But that is their cooking. That's their cooking style. That is, I think, their Swahili cooking style. It's so totally different from Uganda's food, but it was good. The price is 270 Kenyan shillings. I'll put that on the screen so that you can see. In case you want to come visit this place. I even forgot how I reached here. But I enjoyed everything from there. So let us enjoy the journey and see, because we have eaten our food, what else should we do just to find out the way how we can end this video. We can end it from here, or along the way as we go back, or maybe along the way we can even find what we can do in another video. But thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. Thank you so much for watching. Don't go anywhere. Drop a comment. Suggest what you want to see next in the other videos. Yeah, later.
Here, how many people, since we got in, how many people got in and came out?
A lot of people I was watching.
Even where you are sitting.
Yeah.
People who, I think 3 people
left.
While you are still eating.
Yes.
So it's busy like that here in Kenya.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you've had people complaining that people here, it's too fast. Irina complains all the time, Nairobi is too fast.
Yeah, people are too fast.
Now, by the time you sit down like this, posho was there already on your table.
True.
Then within 1 minute, fish was also there. You asked for the other meat, immediately it was there. So, like within a minute, food is on your table.
So it's about you to take your time and eat.
Now, here we don't have the luxury to enjoy your time. Like you want
Like
to go
we
into
Ugandans do.
I have been to Uganda.
Hey.
You go in there, you sit down. They ask you for your order. They go for 2 hours later.
No.
They'll come back with one thing.
Yeah, that is true. That is true.
But with that still, they have made perfect food. You understand? They have made perfect food. But now here in Kenya, we don't have that time. I always complain about our food. Now at home, I'm lucky I have a Ugandan who can at least
have a
meet,
twist.
yeah, not 100%,
Hey.
but at least meet 50% of what you guys are used to in Uganda. But now, the rest of Kenya, this is what we survive. You go in there, you have 5 to 10 minutes to be out. So at the end of the day, they have a lot of turnover of clients. They have made so much money at the end of the day.
Just in a few minutes, they have
Yes.
taken our money, and then like 100 people
Yes.
have been in and out.
We have paid 900 or close to 1,000 Kenya shillings. Another people. So by the end of the day, how much have they made? So
A
it's
lot
all
of money.
about business.
Because the table is six. It has
Yes,
6 chairs,
yes.
and
all of
all
them
the time.
were filled constantly.
Yes.
You understand?
Wow.
So it's all about time. It's all about money.
Actually, even the way people eat, they are too fast.
They are too fast.
Like someone eats for like 3 minutes.
Now, why do you want to eat for 2 hours?
No, like.
All right, let us continue with our journey. Okay, let us continue with our journey and see what we can cover along the way. But thank you so much for keeping yourself on Eating African. Check out Mwakazi Adventure. Adventures.
Adventures.
Why I always keep skipping that.
Why are you skipping the S? Because I'm not Prulo.